For this electrolysis lab, the group had decided to gather the necessary materials as follows. 2 25 milliliters of 3 moles of sulfuric acid, 2 graduated cylinders along with 2 corks, a pair of wires that are connected to graphite, a large beaker filled with water. It can be any kind of beaker as long as it's big enough to fit 2 graduated cylinders. And lastly, a power supply. First, place the 25 milliliters of sulfuric acid into each graduated cylinder. Sulfuric acid was used as an electrolyte to speed up the electrolysis process. Next, fill each graduated cylinder with any amount of water until the graduated cylinder is filled. Next, carefully and slowly place your hand on top of the graduated cylinder and flip it so that no water will fall out, especially not letting any gas go into the cylinder. Flip it upside down and place it in the large beaker. Now, connect the wires into the power supply and place each graphite wire to one graduated cylinder. This is to allow the process of electrolysis to occur. Please be cautious of when raising up the graduated cylinder. Do not let any air bubbles or any air pass through. After you place both of your graphite wires into the graduated cylinder, turn on the power supply and watch the process of electrolysis occur. After half an hour, place each individual cork into one graduated cylinder. This is to allow no air bubbles going in or out of the graduated cylinder. Now get ready with a splint, as this will be necessary to see the reaction between oxygen and hydrogen. Now, first, take the cork out of the graduated cylinder and quickly place the splint on top of the cylinder. You will see a reaction between the splint and oxygen and the splint with hydrogen. The product after the reaction between hydrogen and the splint should create water vapor and heat.